Told you I was gonna be back. All right, so this is a continuation to unboxing Pokemon things, and just to recap, I got an Arceus, Flatigator, and a Typhlosion. And today is my lucky day. Let's go to the reverses. Got an Altria, got a shiny Shinx, and a Wingull. For the rare, I got a Dialga, Raichu, and a Heatran. That's pretty crazy. And right next, we're going to go for Giratina Platinum. My brother. Crap. Alright. Oh, and just to recap, I'm keeping the booster packs because they have a very nice artwork. Almost have it. Oh, oh boy. Oh, at least the face is still good. Hold on, guys. Almost have it. Well, it's like that, but oh well. At least I got Giratina's face there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright. Kricketot, Poochyena, Chansey, Nopaz, Dunsparce, Monferno, Trainer Level Max, Trainer Pokeball, a reverse Chimchar, another Dialga! Wow! Oh, wow. Wait, oh, this is a shiny. A holographic and a regular. Number 6 out of 127. Number 23. Wow. Shiny Chimchar. Damn, that's crazy. Wow. Alright, next is Diamond and Pearl, Legends Awaken. Dude, I'm just surprised that I got another Dialga. 2 Dialgas back to back? Wow. Not back to back, but back to back booster packs. That's crazy. Turn down, please. Right. Comes the cards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Alright. Gulpin, Poliwhirl, Yanma, Railu, Baneri, Tauros, Trainer Pokemon Radar, Mightyena, a shiny Luxio, and a Kroger! Wow! Are you kidding me? Wow! That's number 4 legendary, guys. A Luxio.
Oh my.
Wow. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? The only the only legendary I didn't get was a Raichu. But it doesn't matter. Wow, that's amazing.
You get so lucky.
Alright. Good. So these are, oh, okay, wait. Okay. I'm gonna set them out. I'm gonna set I'm gonna come out with ultra rare, rare, put uncommon here, and common here. Alright? So, just hold up for a second, guys. You know what? I'll just get back to you when we're done. When I got all this fixed, alright? Okay.